This restoration challenge started with our Instagram followers and was inspired by Porsche history. Whether we win or lose, I'm proud of the passion, dedication, and hard work that's gone into this 993. It was great to see the collaborated effort by every department, sales, service, and parts. Honestly, the finished product has exceeded my expectation, it is absolutely gorgeous, and it's one of a kind.
It was important to our restoration team that we came up with 3 points of how to follow our restoration challenge. One was to use factory parts. Being that this is a factory restoration challenge, we wanted to stay true to the brand and use the parts available at our parts department.
I had the pleasure of working with our shop foreman, Bill Thompson, on this 993 restoration project. Many challenges went into getting this car done, but with the help of Porsche and the rest of the team here, we were able to get all the parts in the nick of time to get this beautiful car out on the road.
Number 2, we wanted to be original. It is said that Porsche does not make the same car twice. This was not to be a cookie cutter restoration. We're going to be different and use parts from different 911s and different years, along with classic parts to build our car. The X51 Rest of World option kit that was put together to produce a 3.8 RS engine. Lightweight pulleys, clutch, and flywheel that make the engine jump when you start it. It makes it so quick to respond. The suspension, where we use Porsche Classic reintroduction sport shocks, which have modern day technology and secret material composition, developed and tested on the Nürburgring. We also sourced M033 minus 20 millimeter springs that were from a factory wide body car that was Rest of World option, and the iconic 964 Turbo RS wheels built by Speedline, and many more pieces that you will see throughout the car.
So I was lucky enough to actually work on this car, and it was a great pleasure working on it. We did take apart this motor. The teardown and everything was really cool, really complicated, but also really fun.
I remember when I first saw this car, it was about 6-7 months ago. It was a very nice car, but I think it needed love. It was a low mileage car, but it needed improvements. And our team made an amazing job. And now for me, as a Porsche enthusiast, it's a dream car. I love the wheels, I love the new engine with 300 horsepower, I love the sound. And in fact, I love the car.
And the third thing, which was the hardest, we wanted this car to have soul. A feeling that you don't get from many cars, but a feeling that would never go away and always make you look back when you park the car. That said, I invite you to start the car. Let it warm up for a minute while the emissions air pump kicks in that no other RS engine has had. Blip the throttle and feel how fast the car revs. And take it all in with your senses. Like your favorite pair of jeans, a perfect bite of food, the sun on your skin in the spring, a twisty road with beautiful scenery. We hope this car evokes the same feelings. In closing, I cannot wait to take this car out and get the tires dirty. Go to a local Cars and Coffee and show this car off. Most importantly, what I want to do, I'm going to look at the other cars there and come up with ideas for next year.